In this video, we're going to explore how we can give rounded borders to our div or anything else. And this is a quite common one right now that makes it very famous because of social media where they use a card design. As you can see in Facebook, in Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter, where you have a card that's being posted and you can scroll through the cards and you see these cards that all have usually rounded corners here. This is what we call a border radius. And what we can do is we can assign the border radius on the specific item. So let's start and explore how to do this. And especially if you have buttons, this is a very useful one for your buttons to make your buttons look more like a rounded button, more appealing at all. Alright, first one would be, so to use this we need to use the property border. Let's say we want to have the top left corner we want to adjust. So we say border top left radius, and then here we can set a certain amount of pixels or a percentage. So if we do, for example, 10 pixels, you can save this, refresh, and then you can see we get now here a nice rounded corner. And you can also do a percentage, but with the percentage you have to really check because it can be very quickly a nice rounded one. If you do it like this, you can see here it starts to create a very uneven shape. However, could be useful depending on what you're going to do, but usually if you do pixels, 4 pixels is a very common one. If you see it's like a tiny rounded item from the edge. And this is the way how you can do the left side. And now let's explore how you can do the other sides as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.